Today in this episode, we're going to be heading around the Kapiti coast. The first stop is Dark Horse, which is a coffee shop that's in Paraparaumu Beach. It's past this old folks village right here, Kapiti Village. Right, I think it's this street here. Oh, you can see this is another coffee shop. It's called the Roastery. And there's the Dark Horse. Alright, so you can see this is the area, and Dark Horse is across the street. Some industrial sort of empty buildings. Here we go, this is the Dark Horse coffee right here. That's the outside of it. Alright, so that's Dark Horse Coffee. They had some food and snacks in there as well. Also coffee if you want to buy coffee. Alright, there's another roastery right here. It's called the Roastery Coffee Roaster. It looks like they have a deal. Any size coffee too. Wow. Alright. Definitely got to check that out. Oh, they got toasties too. They have a whole kitchen in here. Oh, and also they have this Dutch sweets van that on Friday and Saturdays is open. And they sell Dutch pancakes. Looks like they have a brewery right here. Duncan's Brewing Company. Might be a neat thing to check out. I think it's back in that corner over there. Alright, so our next stop is along the Waikanae River. With the wind and the rain coming in, I don't know if there's going to be any animals out. Hopefully. I'm also going to be doing some filming at Queen Elizabeth Park. Alright, this is the Otahunga Domain. A lot of rain lately, so this area is pretty flooded. Alright, so this is the Otahunga Domain, and you can see it's really nice right now. There's actually no wind. So the wind's died down. A storm is still approaching, I think, but I'm already seeing birds flying around. So I'm excited to get some good footage. But let me take you down to the river over here. It's kind of muddy. Luckily I brought my hiking boots today. So you can see there's like ducks already here. Looking for some food. Some chubby ducks here. You can see down the river there's like a fisherman setting up his nets to do some whitebait fishing. Oh, and I think they'll come up because they're looking for food. Probably a good spot for feeding ducks. I'm seeing a lot of swallows flying around and also fantails. The swallows definitely are too hard. They're too fast to film, but I'll try to do that. You can see spring is blooming. So everything is growing really fast. Look how tall this grass is. All the bumblebees are out. So there's a lot of tuis. There's one way up there. Oh wow, these swallows flying around. There's no way I can film them. They're so fast. Some ducks right here. Oh, we got some more ducks showing up. guy is photobombing my image. Alright, so I think they've caught on that I don't have any food. And they're moving away, floating down the river. But let's go to a bit further up the river. Let's try going down this path right here. Looks like there's a bridge over here. Let's go check it out. Don't know if this is... I know, it looks gated, so maybe a private bridge. I do see some birds over here. You can see the rivers right next to us. Usually you'll see horses out. There's also frisbee golf over there, oddly enough. All right, so I'm gonna turn back and go over the bridge and see if I can find more birds. Looks like there's a flock of smaller birds over here I'll try to film, but I feel like they're gonna fly away once I get close. The nice thing about this area is they do have restrooms right here. Oh, you can see some black swans down there. So the wind is starting to pick up a bit, but let's go over on this side and see if we can film. You can hear the wind blowing through these big pines over here. I think I saw some more active birds over here. I still haven't seen too many fantails. You have the black swans across the river here. Some massive trees right here. Oh, I see some fantails. You can kind of see them fluttering through. Climb over here and see if I can get just a little bit closer. All right, that didn't work. They just flew away. Oh, okay, so this is part of the frisbee golf course here. And I'm seeing some rabbits way over there. So I'm kind of curious to see what's at the top of this hill over here. Let's try to go up and see. This continuation of the frisbee golf course. We have some horses in the distance right over there. Probably someone's backyard. All right, let's go a bit further and then I might have to turn back. It looks like some dark clouds are starting to roll in. This is a continuation of the frisbee golf course over here. Nice open field. Ooh, really muddy though. Okay, I gotta go around the other way. All right, over this way. What I'm trying to do is get over to the other path. Just kind of do more of a loop. Looks like this area works. Super muddy, but not too bad. Let's go under the fence. All right, let's go back this way and get back to the car. Some really nice blooms. So this area is definitely scenic and it's almost like a fairy tale type look. Alright, so there's a kereru up here. So the kereru are the wood pigeons. They're really giant ones. I think there's a pair. Alright, so I'm going to be wrapping it up in this spot. I actually forgot my hat, and the sun's starting to come out, and I didn't put sunblock on. In New Zealand, the sun is super intense, so you can be out for like 10 minutes and get a really bad sunburn. There is a bakery in Waikanae, so I'm going to head over there. So the bakery is called Joe and Joy, and it's about a 7-minute drive from here.
Turn right.
All right, so the bakery is within this sort of outdoor mall area. So just look around real quick. All right, so like a city library right here, Waikanae Library, with some playground type stuff and a bunch of stores, outdoor stores. Right across there is where you can jump on the train. Overall, a great little cafe, really nice on the inside, and there's outdoor seating as well. We're heading over to Queen Elizabeth Park. There's a bird hide this way. Let's go check it out. Let's see. Kind of a cool spot. I think I see a fantail up there. I'll try to film. Oh, I think it might be a fantail nest right there. Seeing the swallows flying around, so I'll try to film a few of them. Alright, let's go around a bit further. So a duck with its ducklings. So now we're directly opposite the hide over there. Alright, so I'm gonna walk back and try to go to a different area. Looks like there's a fantail up here. I'll try to film. Alright, so I'm just gonna walk along this fence line here, see if I can find any birds to film. Definitely wind coming through. So it's getting a bit more windy and stormy. Alright, so that wraps up this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, definitely hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Alright, bye.